Why, hello, dear listener, and welcome to the Prelude of a spectacular event. I'm Nat, and I'm here to invite you to join me on an historic running or walking tour any time between April 24th and May 23rd. We'll be jogging through 10 unique sites in downtown Binghamton and learning some of the hidden history and sordid stories that surround this fair city. Even if you're not in Binghamton, I invite you to take this tour through the theater of your mind. I say, nothing gets the blood pumping more than a quick step and digging through the archives of the past. Plus, participating in this tour supports a wonderful institution, the Roberson Museum and Science Center. So come on now, sign up at roberson.org and maybe purchase a t-shirt as well. You'll be sure to look rather dashing. Well, until we meet again, dear listener, cheers. Music for this trailer is from concertmaster John Harrison with the Wichita State University Chamber Players, performing Vivaldi's The Four Seasons, Summer Movement 3, Presto.